All right, what is going on, everybody? So your eyes are not deceiving you. Yesterday, the day before this, you guys saw I went pre-snowstorm fishing because I knew this would happen. And today, last night and last afternoon, it snowed. Not a lot of snow. I mean, I'm from New York, so I'm used to, like, you know, a whole bunch of feet of snow. We got about 3 inches. So today we're gonna be doing probably the hardest thing ever, that being bass fishing after a snowstorm. Now it is currently 11:09 in the morning, so this is already a horrible time to be going fishing, let alone after a storm. But we're gonna be pond hopping, I believe 2, maybe 3, even 4 different ponds today, because I know the action is gonna be terrible. If I catch a fish today, I'll be very proud of myself. I don't think it'll happen, but we're gonna try our best and see what we can do. So without further ado, let the snow fun begin. Okay, well, you guys already know what happened first cast yesterday, but that doesn't mean today will be the same. Nothing here right now. Let's go and keep moving. Oh my God, that was probably the best flip ever. Bullseye. Straight up bullseye. I'm so bored. I'm not bored, I'm actually having a blast. I mean, I'm not going to catch any fish is what I'm trying to say. Here, watch this. Ready? Target practice on these geese. Yo, they're about to charge me, bro, low key. These things are about to charge me. Oh, got him. They think it's food, it's snow. Alright, I'm making this one, and I gotta make at least one of them in, right? Kobe. Try again. This one's a little smaller. I don't know what that's gonna do. That's a bucket. Oh my goodness. Try again. All right, I think I'm gonna head out now. Gonna be honest with you, I knew I wasn't gonna catch any fish today, but you know what? I got out here, I had some fun. I was out here for about 2 hours or so. So I had my fun. I haven't seen snow like this in a long time, I guess you could say. We don't get snow down here where I live. Like I said, I'm from New York, so usually the snow I get, I'm usually, you know, it's a lot bigger than this, it's a lot more severe than this, but it's still nice to see it. But yeah, that'll do it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video with whatever I get out of this. And as always, capture moments, create memories. I'll see you in the next video.